We've always been great at volunteering. Everybody that works here has participated. And again, I'm just so proud of all our team members, and I suspect that as we continue to grow, we'll continue to do more of these types of things.
And there's nothing we like more than giving back to the community.
Our mission at Scott Credit Union is members, value, community. We wouldn't be where we are today without the community supporting us, and we want to be able to give back to the communities where we live and work.